chain drives can transmit large loads on long and short distances. These systems allow to use the optimal opening and closing time of the valves in any engine situation. Therefore, the importance of the VVT lies in the fact that its proper use directly improves the performance of our vehicle's engine, optimizes thermal management, and provides a better fuel economy. Peace be upon you. The VVT, variable valve timing. In a car's function is to change the timing of valve opening to save fuel and improve engine performance. Over time, carbon, sludge, and oil residue build up inside it, causing it to malfunction. People remove it to clean it and reinstall it, but that's not the right way. 90% of people only clean it superficially, or rather 90% of people don't know the trick or the secret that allows the VVT to clean itself so it can return to working at full efficiency, saving fuel and improving engine performance. I'll show you that secret or trick now. I'll show you how to do this on this car. Wait until it cools down, then disconnect the VVT plug and remove the screw that secures it, which is usually underneath. Then pull it out. This is the VVT valve, which 90% of people clean incorrectly, unaware of the process. What everyone does is use a cleaning spray to remove all the deposits clogging its filters so it works efficiently again. As you can see, the VVT valve is indeed clean and working perfectly. Next, you install it in the car and start it. But let me show you the method or the secret that 90% of people don't know. This secret or information is half about the valve and half about the car's engine. First, take two 12-volt wires and connect them to their connectors. And pay attention to the sound of the solenoid coil or its internal core when I connect and disconnect the electricity more than once. I'll put the valve in a small empty container and get this box. It's called Reswell 28 grams combustion chamber cleaner. It's a German product and I need a separate video to explain what it does to your car's engine from the inside. Anyway, I'll empty some of it into the container, and as you can see, it's transparent like water. I'll move the camera down so you can see what happens. I'll get the 12-volt terminals and connect them to the VVT plug on the back. I'll touch and disconnect them several times and see what happens. The clicking sound you hear is because I'm constantly connecting and disconnecting the power to its plug. What's happening now is that the 28G material makes the valve break down all the carbon deposits inside and bring them out. No spray or external cleaning method can remove them. I'll speed up the video because of time constraints. When I lift the valve, you'll be surprised to see that the liquid, which was clear like water, now has a lot of visible carbon deposits that have come out of the valve. This is because what I've done is make the valve clean itself from the inside, not the outside. After that, I'll empty this liquid into the aluminum dish, clean the jug, and put the valve in it for the second time. Pour the same fluid over it and repeat the same experiment in the same way until you are sure that the valve is completely clean, inside and out. But wait, that's not all. There's another trick to be done in the engine, but first let me tell you about the sound of the valve's response after it's been cleaned internally. It's quick to respond and moves freely. So, what was it like before? It was muffled and its movement was slow. The second trick is that you go to the place where the valve is installed and get a thick sponge to block the valve opening. Then start the car for just 2 seconds. Be careful, you'll feel the oil pressure on your finger that's blocking it. This action causes any loose gear or blockage in the path leading to the VVT to come out onto the sponge, ensuring that the valve is installed cleanly. Next, you clean the area before installing the valve and putting everything back as it was. Keep in mind that some cars have 2 VVT valves, so what you do here you'll repeat for the valve on the other side at the back. Also, be aware that some cars have the valve in a separate location and its filter in a separate location next to or below it. Like and share the video because this information is important and many people don't know it. We'll continue with the next video, God willing.